Let's have a quick look over this Valtra G135 that I came across in a course the other day. A cracking, well-spec tractor. The farmer that owned this tractor had just bought two of them. He'd been looking at other equivalents, but the fact that this one had the 5-year warranty was enough to swing it for him. As per normal, you'll come across the AdBlue beside the diesel tank there, and also next to it the steps on the way into the cab, good at cleaning your boots on the way in, and nice and strong, well made as well. Good, well laid out rear linkage, a handy little light at the side there, let you see your pickup hook in the dark. To operate the rear pickup hitch in this tractor was very straightforward. Once you knew what you were doing with the controls, it was quite easy, very easy to see the hook actually. So lift the linkage up using the buttons at the right hand side, you'll see the green arrow, pull the catch behind the seat, and then lower the linkage back down, and you can see the green light lighting up, letting you know it's going down. Then extend it with the switch there, that extends the telescopic hitch, and remember to push this button on the armrest or nothing will work. Now it's quite easy to see the hook from the seat. There was also a mirror there as well to make life a bit easier for you as well, but on the whole it was actually very easy to use. It was young kids we had on this particular course, and out of all the tractors we had in the course they found this one the easiest to use. Nice simple stabilising arms at the side there, just a simple pin. Handy storage area for your hook there as well, the drawbar. A handy storage box just under the door at the opposite side there, with a folding step at the bottom, also battery and your fuses, ECUs and that are in there as well. And as I say, you can see the folding step at the bottom there, which is quite a cute arrangement there. A nice, bright, airy, spacious cab. The seat was fine and comfy. The dash controls there were easy to understand, quite clear. The folding passenger seat was easy to use as well, and also the controls at the right hand side was well laid out and again well colour coordinated and easy to use. Like most tractors now, the bonnet lifted well clear of the engine bay, and most things were accessible there, most of your serviceable items, no bother to get to and quite easy to work on for cleaning, servicing, oil checks, etc. and that there.